This tutorial will cover how to integrate HubSpot onto CCAI. Like many of the more advanced features on our platform, this requires you to put down a card first before using. Under Settings, you'll want to go down to the Integration tab. From here, you'll have the option to install the HubSpot CloudContactAI app. You'll be prompted to sign in to your HubSpot account or create a new one. Once you've signed on, you'll be prompted to choose an account with which you want to install onto CCAI. Now that you have chosen the HubSpot environment to set up with your CCAI account, you can go back down to Settings and look under the Integration tab to see the account credentials. If you're having issues, you can always try reinstalling the app. Now that HubSpot is successfully integrated, you can start porting contacts over. Whenever you add a new contact, simply select Import from HubSpot. You can either individually select which contacts you want to bring over, or select any lists that you had already uploaded to HubSpot.